Assalamu alaikum. Today, inshallah, we will start the second type of idgham, which is idgham without ghunnah. And we said in this type, we erased both the sound of noon and its ghunnah. And we said in the previous lesson, idgham with ghunnah has two letters. They are lam and ra, or ra and lam. And we said we have three steps to apply the rule of idgham. If you remember, we said first step, we remove the sound of noon. So remove the noon, uh, remove the noon or the tanween or tanween. Okay. Second step, we said we add shadda to the next letter. Let me write it here. Number two, wait. Number two, we add shadda to the next letter. We add what? We add shadda. Okay. Third step in the previous lesson, idgham with ghunnah, we said we do ghunnah. But here, should we do ghunnah? No, we should not do ghunnah because this is merging without ghunnah. Okay. What are the letters? The letters are two letters, lam and ra, or ra and lam. So if I have noon sukoon or tanween, double fatha, double dhamma, double kasra, followed by one of these two letters, what should I do? First, you remove the noon or tanween. If it's tanween, remove one fatha, remove one dhamma, remove one kasra. Second step, to add shadda, to merge the noon or the tanween into the next letter. So make the next letter double, like this, to add shadda on the ra. Okay. Third step, should we do ghunnah? No, here don't do ghunnah. Here don't do ghunnah. Ghunnah. Why? Because this is merging with ghunnah. In the ra and lam, we don't do any ghunnah. So how can we do this? Remove the noon, add shadda, no ghunnah. Mir rabbikum. Like this. Mir rabbikum. We moved from mim to ra. What is noon? We removed the noon. We merged the noon into the next letter. And should I do ghunnah? No, with ra and lam, we don't do ghunnah. Let's check some exercise. So here again, the letters of idgham with ghunnah, ya, noon, mim, waw, yanmu, and for idgham without ghunnah, ra and lam. We studied this in the previous lesson. Here, the conclusion. When you find noon, sakinah, or tanween followed by one of the two letters, ra and lam, what should we do? Erase the sound of noon completely without any ghunnah. So if you have noon or tanween, erase it and without any ghunnah, and make the second letter, make it shadda. Okay, let's check the exercise. Merging without ghunnah exercise. Here. Here I have noon followed by lam. Lam, is it from idgham with ghunnah letters? Yanmu, ya, noon, mim, waw? No. Is it from the idgham without ghunnah letters? Yes, it's lam. Lam and ra. So what should we do? We have two steps. First step, to erase the sound of noon. Second step, to double the next letter to make it shadda. Should we do ghunnah? No. Number three, step number three, don't do ghunnah. So we move from kaf to from kaf to lam. Ya kullah, ya kullah. Like in Surah Al-Ikhlas, Qul huwallahu ahad, the last ayah, وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. Okay, next example here. We have waylun. This is actually double dhamma. Okay, waylun likulli. And we said this is shadda and a kasra, not fatha, because the line under the shadda, not on the top. If it's at the top like this, we can say it's fatha, but this is not fatha. So what should I do? First, remove the sound of noon. So remove one dhamma and add shadda. It's already here. And don't do ghunnah. Waylun, it will be waylu, just one dhamma. So we remove one dhamma and keep one. Waylulli, waylulli kulli. Same here. I have double kasra followed by lam. So remove one kasra and add shadda. It's already here. Step number 2. Should I do ghunnah? No, we don't do any ghunnah. Homazati, homazatil, homazah. Homazatil, homazah. Okay, is this clear? Here, you have Tanween kasra, followed by ra. Ra is also one of the letters of idgham without ghunnah. So we remove one kasra, and add shadda. Shadda is already here. And don't do ghunnah. Aishati, aishatir radiyah. Aishatir radiyah. Just pronounce one kasra. Same here, Tanween kasra followed by lam. Remove one kasra and add shadda. It will be yawma'idhilla. Yawma'idhilla khabir. Okay, here, noon followed by lam, noon sukun followed by lam. Remove the noon, add shadda. Allam. Allam. Here, same. Ar-ra'ahu. Ar-ra'ahu. Okay. I think that's everything about idgham with ghunnah. We just have one, this is the third rule. Before we move to the third rule, we have one exception. What's the exception? Remember when we studied the rules of noon, of merging with ghunnah? We said when the noon or the tanween followed by one of the merging with ghunnah letters, we should apply the merging with ghunnah, like remove the noon and add shadda to the next letter and do ghunnah. But this is actually between two words only. How is that? I don't understand. Like when the noon or the tanween at the end of the first word, like this, man, and ya'mal. Man ya'mal. Ya'mal. I have noon sukun here, followed by ya. So yeah, I apply the rule. It's between two words. Remove the noon, add shadda, and do ghunnah. Man ya'mal. How about if the noon sukun followed by one of the idgham with ghunnah letters, the 4 letters yanmu, one of them, but in the same word, in one word, not in between two words like this. In this case, we don't apply the rule. Give me some examples, like this one. Here I have noon sukun followed by ya. Yes, ya from the 4 letters yanmu. Should I say, remove the noon and add shadda and do ghunnah? Buyan. This is correct to apply, like I applied this correctly, no mistakes. But actually in one word, we don't apply the rule of merging. So what should we do? This rule, its name is izhar mutlaq. This is clarity. How? This is exception, that we don't apply the rule of merging in one word. Like this here. Noon followed by ya. The word ad-dunya, this is dunya, our life, our dunya. Should we say ad-dunya? No, we don't do that. Okay, so if you found the noon followed by one of the idgham letters, but in one word, we don't apply this rule, and this exception is called izhar mutlaq, absolute appearance. We read it clear, we don't do any merging. And this happened at 4 words in the Quran, only 4 words. Like this word, qinwan, it comes one time in the Quran. Sinwan, one time, I think one. Bunyan, maybe 2 times. Ad-dunya, you will find it many times in the Quran. Let's say 50 times, but still one word. So this exception comes just in 4 words in the Quran. You can memorize these 4 words, and we don't apply the merging here. We don't say siwan. No, that's not correct. We just say sinwan. We don't apply the rule of merging in one word. Let's read this. When noon sukun is followed by a letter of idgham within the same word, what should we do? We pronounce clear noon sakinah, in this case without any merging. Like this. Ad-dunya, bunyan, sinwan, qinwan. Okay, this case occurred in only 4 words in the Quran. Only 4 words in the Quran. And this exception is called idhar mutlaq, or in English, absolute appearance. I think that's everything about merging. Again, quickly, merging has 2 types. Merging with ghunnah has 4 letters: ya, noon, mim, waw. If the tanween or noon followed by one of these letters, remove the noon or the tanween, double the second letter, make it double, make it 2, and apply ghunnah for 2 seconds. Second type, merging without ghunnah. When the noon or the tanween followed by 2 letters, ra or lam, remove the noon or the tanween, add shadda, and I promise you, you will find the shadda, and don't do ghunnah. Just 2 steps in the idgham without ghunnah. Last thing about the merging, if the noon followed by one of the idgham with ghunnah letters, the 4 letters, ya, noon, mim, waw, we don't apply the ghunnah in one word. We apply it in between 2 words. And this happened at 4 words in the Quran, only 4 words: sinwan, bunyan, qinwan, and ad-dunya. This exception, its name is idhar mutlaq, absolute appearance. We read it clear without any merging. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next lesson. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.